We are now in Cham Cham.
I am now inside of Cham Cham. This is carrot cake. This is
chocolate diao,
and this is satay and
chicken wing.
chicken wings barbecue with calamansi.
Yes.
And this is sugar cane. So i-try na mo kaon ilahang food in here sa Cham Cham. Try na ko. So kanya mo gikaon part 1 pa day ni. Napaday part 2 na mong kaunan. And this is
Hokkien mee. Enjoy the food.
another food.
Are you taking a video of me?
So,
This is how you say masarap.
okay. This is how you say good in Tagalog. Masarap.
Masala.
Masarap. So this is how you're going to eat the famous food here in Singapore.
Vlogger style.
Vlogger style. Yeah. Do the honor. Dessert time. Grabe, ang daming tao. And Lance. So now we will try the durian concentrated. So let's try. This is the best.
Their durian is really not a Davao durian. You should try durian
Yes.
in Singapore. It's a different kind of durian.
Lahi na gud ang durian sa Singapore o sa Philippines. Promise. So I am now at Clarke, Singapore. Good morning mga kabiyahe. Today is our day 3. Alright, so we will be going to Universal Studios. Mga uban ba ng mga tao nga sige reklamo sa ilang trabaho kay lisod daw kaayo. Napoy mga estudyante nga sige reklamo kay lisod daw kay mag-eskwela, kapoy mag-eskwela. Pero dili na tinuod kay ngano man dinhi sa Singapore sayon. Welcome to Sentosa.
What next brand?
They're already 6. Friday, Thursday. Dili, it's a way getting.
Hi mga kabiyahe, I'm Biyahengpogi.
And I'm Patty Series.
And we are now in Universal Studios. Hi guys, again we are so excited now here in Universal Studios Singapore.
We're heading to the Sci-Fi City so
Yeah.
that we can try our very first ride, the Transformers ride.
Transformer,
Why are we riding that first, Jason?
because it is one of the best here in Universal Studio, and we will try the one.
Yeah, and then after that, we're just gonna try everything else.
Yes, Pati series.
Yes, Biyahengpogi.
Yes, again. So first ride, Transformers. Masulod na mi.
Devastation on this route. It is probably already too late for you.
Detectors indicate Decepticons are swarming the city. This is a
Next up is the Mami. So how was it, ang the Mami?
It was great.
Great. Pero kasi sige syagit.
Wala lang. Ako, sorry na God.
Next is Jurassic Park.
Give a round of applause, my friends, for Puss in Boots!
That's a lot of heel for a guy, don't you think?
A little bit. Do not make the cat angry. Ah! Woo! Kitty! No. Come, everybody. Stomp and clap together.
Dagan kay may gibuhat kaganina. So today or karon, we are trying the...
Hi.
We are trying what?
Oh, the
Madagascar Great Adventure.
So kaning Madagascar isa sa pinaka-simple lang. So
Pabebe. Pabebe.
mga pabebe lang. So press na nga sa akong likod.
Because why are we riding the Pabebe ride? Where
We are we are riding the pabebe ride because of these people.
No, we're riding the Pabebe. Dulit kayo, friend. We're riding the
So we are rolling now.
Bye.
Just malaglahi. So gamay na lang kami na lang mabilin. So this time rides na mo ang sakyan o mo na lang ning mga warrior na nabilin sa mua. Oh, ana na mga naong So excited na ka sa ride, me?
Dili.
Ikaw te.
Excited.
Ikaw?
No, dulit ka.
No maulo kasi mong ilong.
Dili. Tawa kayo si Jason. Visit niya si Jason.
Excited?
Oh, excited.
Okay, ikaw?
Excited kayo.
Oh, sige, Carl.
Excited.
Okay. So go, go, go. Welcome to New York! Karon solo flight ko padulong sa beach station kaya ang uban nasa Mustafa tapos sila sa Bugis. So gusto na ko makakuha og gwapong picture sa Merlion o sa Universal. Do isa lang man na sila sa Sentosa. So karon mo side trip ko gamay din sa beach station sa Palawan Beach o sa Siloso daw. So try na to. By the way, you have to meet my friend here, Luis. Hi, Luis. Hi. So karon nagahabol mi sa time para makaapas mi sa light show o water show dinhi sa Wings of Time. And here we are. So, katutotanan ako ang, of course, vlog din sa Singapore. And next na kong biyahe, of course, mag-uban-uban na punta. And before that, before na ko humanon, nagkusalamat ko sa tanan sponsors na nahitabo din niya, of course, ka Ati Dadang, isa sa mga sponsors, Miss Q, Callback, salamat kaayo. And shout out sa ko ang mga friends. And sa tanan nag-follow sa ko sa, of course, sa ko ang mga social media. Daghan kayong salamat. You can follow me on my YouTube account, Biyahengpogi, my Instagram account, Biyahengpogi as well, and Jason on my Facebook account. Please like and share. Please hit the button below. And once again, this is Biyahengpogi.
Even